Hi everyone, this is RyOS Tech Reviewer, also a POCO Enthusiast, and we're going to open it up. And what do we have inside? Yes, we have. We've got the, what is it, Finn? What's it called?
POCO X4.
So let's take this out. I've got my boys helping me out with my unboxing today. And we're going to open this part of the box. So let's see what we have in here for accessories. I think I have an idea. What we have is a screen protector. So we've got warranty cards. We've got a safety information, quick start guide. Don't need this. The standard see-through TPU case. What do you think of that case, Finn?
Good.
It's good. It's see-through. It's free of charge. Don't have to pay for it.
Oh yeah.
It comes with the box.
Yeah.
How good is that?
Cool.
It's awesome, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to put the phone to one side and we'll open this in a wee second. We're going to have a look to see what else is in the box. So what else is in the box, do you think, Finn?
A plug.
A plug?
Yeah.
A charger? Yeah? And what's that?
A charger and a cable.
So the charger, what charger is it? It's a
67W.
67W, yeah, that's 67 watts fast charger. This is amazing. You get it in a budget phone, 67 watt fast charger. A lot of the other manufacturers in competition in the market, even at flagship level, don't do 67 watt charging. Let's have a look at the cable, Finn. What kind of cable is this? Should we open it up and have a look?
Sure.
Right. So we have, this is a USB
Yeah.
A, they call that a USB A, and we've got a USB Type C. So that's what's inside the box. Very nice wee box, not much plastic, it's all cardboard, so good for the environment.
Thank POCO.
Well done, POCO. So now it's time to unwrap the phone. What do you reckon? Should we unwrap the phone? Let's read what it says on here. 120. What is that?
HDC.
HC, that's Hertz, yeah? And it's an AMOLED dot display. How big is the camera? 100
MP.
MP, so it's a 108 megapixel pro grade main camera. Right, we'll move on. So it says Snapdragon 5G processor. So the processor in this is the Snapdragon 695. What's that say, Finn?
67W.
67 watts. What's that word?
Turbocharging.
Turbocharging, and it's got a 5,000 milliamp battery. Right, now is the best part. Let's take this off. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, how cool is that?
Good.
You see the design on the back? What do you think of the design? What colour is it?
Blue.
It's blue, yeah? It's actually called Cool Blue.
Yeah.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
Do you think it's cool?
Sure.
I think it's cool as well. You want me to turn it on?
Yeah.
Turn the phone on. Turn it on. Go on, you say it.
Turn it on.
Turn it on. Turn it on. Are you switching it on? Okay. Okay, that's us set up. The POCO X4 Pro. Okay. Yeah. Do you like the wallpaper, Finn? What do you think of the wallpaper?
It's magnetic.
It's what?
It's magnetic and blue.
It's like metal and blue.
Blue, yeah.
Do you know what? I'm going to change it. What about these mountains? I like the mountains. Which mountain do you like the most?
That one.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that one's a good one. We'll go with that. What do you think of the screen, Finn?
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I think it's amazing. It's an AMOLED screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that's us set up the POCO X4 Pro. What do you think, Finn?
Very good.
Very good?
Yeah.
Or super good?
Super good.
Super good. And what do you think of the design?
Very good.
Very good or amazing?
Amazing.
I think it's amazing. I think it's a lovely phone. So there you have it. That is the POCO X4 Pro. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do you think people should subscribe?
Yeah.
Why should they subscribe to my channel?
Because they love it.
Because they love it. That's right. So make sure you give me a like and you subscribe to iOS Tech Reviewer. And we'll see you in the next video. I'll do a basic run through this phone. I'll speak to you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. You wave goodbye. No, down at the camera. Wave bye.
Bye.
Bye.